Hello everyone, welcome to Ginger Toast. Today I am going to show you a very yummy cookie recipe, Nutella cookies. Only 4 ingredients are needed to bake this and it's very easy to prepare. Ingredients needed are egg, flour, sugar and Nutella. So let's see how to bake this yummy Nutella cookies. Crack one egg into a bowl. Beat it well. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour into this. Add flour gradually and mix well with the egg. I am adding 1/3 cup of icing sugar. If you do not have icing sugar, no issues at all. You can use regular sugar, but powder it well and then add into the mixture. Now we need to add half cup Nutella. Now combine everything. You can use your hands to knead it well and make it into a smooth dough. Your dough is ready. Take your baking tray and keep a baking sheet on it. Make small balls and flatten it and then arrange them on the tray. These cookies won't expand while baking, so we need to flatten the dough and arrange them. This is very easy to make and even kids can try this out. Cookies are now ready to bake. Keep the oven temperature to 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 minutes. Baking time varies depending on your oven. Mine takes 15 minutes at 175 degrees. These cookies will be slightly crispy outside and soft inside. When you take it out from the oven, it may look soft, but don't worry, once it cools down, it will harden. Do not overbake it. It will turn very hard. Enjoy your yummy Nutella cookies. Please do try this out and let me know how it came out for you. If you like this recipe, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.